So hello there. This video talks about a very funny concept of the Champions League redraw in full as last 16 ties finally set after the European, league blunder. So as you know, recently in the current times you've seen in different news outlets, news views, recent news, United Stand, Mirror and many other prestigious breaking news sites that there has been a blunder in the draw of the Champions League this summer. Man United, Liverpool, Chelsea, Man City all discovered their final fate for the Champions League last 16 after a blunder saw UEFA declare the draw null and void. So that is something. The draw for the last 16 of the Champions League has finally been completed at the second attempt. So the first attempt, Manchester United were facing PSG, and a lot of people are saying with players like Ronaldo, Sancho, Fred, Greenwood, you know, and Sancho, Cavani, we could keep up a good fight. But the main problem in this case would have been, a lot of people are saying this was a rigged because the UEFA board, the Champions League board, wanted a match between Messi and Ronaldo, as that would make give give rise to a lot of revenue, a lot of excitement, and a lot of buzz among the Champions League contestants. So what I heard was that accidentally they did not put one of the name of one of the teams inside the ball where the draw takes place, and they intentionally did not put the name of Manchester United, or I don't know what, or Atletico Madrid. I don't have any idea about that, what kind of a blunder occurred. But some sort of a blunder occurred when they did not put the name of a certain team inside the drawing ball. The initial draw threw up Manchester United versus Paris Saint-Germain, pitting a Cristiano Ronaldo against Lionel Messi match, which always has the highest buzz of all time. Chelsea's favourable draw against Lille, Liverpool versus FC Salzburg, and Manchester City vs Villarreal were all scratched off, the Premier League clubs discovering their final fate. But Chelsea were handed the same fate at the second attempt, again being drawn against Lille, while Manchester City were handed a tie with Sporting Lisbon. Manchester United were then drawn to face Atletico Madrid, with Liverpool facing Inter Milan. The Champions League last 16 draw had to be redone eventually in Switzerland, so there has been a lot of buzz regarding that. The latest fallout from the after initial controversy forced a redraw. FC Salzburg will now take on Bayern Munich, Juventus face Villarreal, while Benfica will take on Ajax, having initially been set to face Real Madrid. Real Madrid now have a huge face-off with PSG. This will be one of the big face-offs, I think. And Pep Guardiola said the decision to declare the initial draw void was correct. It's going to happen again, and I think it's fair, he said. It was a mistake. Mistakes happen quite often. So, if there was a mistake, it's absolutely okay. Especially in football with players and managers, and sometimes in UEFA too. According to Pep Guardiola, we're all humans and we all make mistakes. So if one of the players did make a mistake, one of the officials did make a mistake, it's absolutely okay. He said, I think it's fair. It's better to repeat it than have suspicion. All of the opponents are tough. People say now we face this opponent. One is better than another, but all of them at this stage are difficult. All roads lead to Russia for the final at the Krestovsky Stadium in St. Petersburg on May 28, with 16 sides now remaining after the progressing through the group stages. The knockout stages of UEFA Champions League will begin in February 2022. The first legs of the last 16 are scheduled for February 15th, 16th and 22nd and 23rd, with the second legs taking place on March 8th, 9th and 15th, 16th kickoffs were at 8 p.m. This season also sees the away goals rule scrapped. So this is something very interesting because the rule for the away goals have been scrapped, with all ties that are leveled after two legs going to extra time and then penalties if necessary. So that's a very big rule that is going to be curtailed. The away goals rule has been avoided. So the Champions League's last 16 draw in full. It's Sporting Lisbon versus Manchester City, FC Salzburg versus Bayern, Benfica versus Ajax, Chelsea versus Lille, Madrid versus Manchester United, Villarreal versus Juventus, Inter Milan versus Liverpool, PSG versus Real Madrid. So what I've heard basically that is that the officials at Real Madrid are absolutely furious over that. They say that they had a very easy match, and their easy match has now been transformed into a match between PSG and Real Madrid, one of the biggest clashes right now. Real Madrid are basically they're really really heated up, and that, and they are basically the Spanish club had been drawn against Benfica, but our mistakes saw Manchester United drawn with Villarreal, followed by further issues as those in charge of the draw attempted to right the issue. United faced Villarreal in their group, so were not eligible to play them again at this stage of competition, but their ball was subsequently not taken from their pot as a potential opponent for Atletico Madrid. United were drawn against Paris PSG, with Villarreal going to City. When the draw was redone, however, Real Madrid found itself drawing to PSG. So Real Madrid right now are absolutely furious with the concept of drawing with a team like PSG and losing their basics, losing their basic advantage which they had in the first leg. So they've lost it. So what else do you want to say? UEFA announced a completely redraw because they had not taken Man United's ball, and put it while having a draw. So, Man United now face Atletico Madrid instead of PSG. So this is where I come in. A lot of people are making fun of this. They're saying, the football has been sold. The Champions League officials, they willingly did such a thing. I don't know if they willingly did it or not. I don't know if they willingly talked about it or not, but they definitely, it's a very big stage to make a mistake like that. So UEFA announced a complete redraw, and after that, all the issues were fixed. And Real Madrid's draw had taken place before the error. However, the individual associates with the club have reportedly described this, void the draw as a scandal. So they have said that the UEFA League, they actually have an agenda against Real Madrid, which I don't agree at all. I don't think it's a scandal. Yes, there was a problem. They did not place Man United's ball in the proper box, due to which there was a loss, there was a love loss, there was a loss in fairness, and so they redid it again after the mistakes were corrected. So Manchester United is not going to face PSG, but they are going to face Atletico Madrid in their next fixture. So what do you think about this match? Let me know. And the Champions League. Till then, take care.